Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Lexland rear tow hooks on my 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. Here we have the all steel Lexland tow hooks for the rear. They are going to mount up under here, and these things are super heavy duty. They are more than enough for what you need back there. All right, so we have our bolts, our nuts, everything to install this, and of course we have the rear tow hook. But where they go is up under here. You're gonna actually knock a couple of these out, and you're gonna bolt them straight through the frame here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I got the bolts on, just 2 bolts, tighten them, and you're done. So check it out. It is installed and good to go. Now it does come with 2, and you can put 2 on, but I just went with 1 because I like the look of it with my truck. I just think it looks really good having 1 tow hook back there, but you could definitely install the second one if you want to have both tow hooks. Another great part from Lexland, use code Steven20 to get 20% off of your order. I'll link it below. Thanks.